Planning to study abroad? Then you're absolutely in the right place. Whether you're thinking about Canada, New Zealand, Sweden, or the UK, we know choosing where to study can feel overwhelming. You probably have a ton of questions like, which universities are in which cities? What are the tuition fees? Are there application fees? When are the intakes? Are there scholarships? And what about career opportunities after graduation? Don't worry, as the International Admission Service has got you covered. Let me introduce you to one of the most powerful features on our website, the Course Finder tool. Now, it's designed to answer all of those questions and more in one simple place. So let me walk you through an example. Let's say you're interested in studying in New Zealand. Head over to the Courses tab on our website. From there, go ahead and scroll down to the filter section. First, you can choose the country of interest. Now in this case, we're going to go with New Zealand. Next, if you have any specific city in mind, you can refine your search even more. Let's choose Auckland. Now, choose your program level. Maybe you're looking for a bachelor's, a master's, or even a diploma. You can also pick the institution type, whether you prefer a college or a university. So let's say we choose the Auckland University of Technology and we're interested in the Faculty of Engineering and Technology. Go ahead and click apply, and just like that, you'll see a tailored list of courses offered in your area of interest. From construction management to Master of Engineering, you'll be given a clear and accurate view of tuition fees, minimum deposit requirements, application fees, available scholarships, duration of the program, and upcoming intake dates. And in the case of finding more than one course that catches your eye, use the compare feature to view them side by side. It's just a smart way to make an informed decision without having to open multiple tabs. But when you're ready to dive deeper, click on Program Details from the original list of courses available. Now, here's how you'll get a comprehensive view of the course. That includes a detailed curriculum, career opportunities after graduation, admission requirements, and information about the university itself. And when you've made your decision, just hit the Find More button and you'll be taken straight to the university's page to learn more. It's really that easy. At the International Admission Service, our mission is simple: to give you all the information that you need in one place, without the hassle of jumping from one university website to another. We're making global education easier, faster, and more accessible. And if you ever need help, our team is just a message away with dedicated support centres in Bangladesh, Canada, and the UK. Our chief consultant, HM Mashiraman, is ready to help you turn your study abroad goals into a reality. So start exploring, start comparing, and start building your future today.